So here we have this question before us. It says a 3-spinner is spun twice, showing the numbers 1, 5, and 7, and the numbers added. Find the probability that the sum is at least 8. So because we've got a 2-stage experiment here, and we know that because we're spinning this spinner just twice, what we're going to do is we're going to create a table for ourselves. So we've got our first spin, and we've got our second spin. And we know that our first spin is 1, 5, and 7. And our second spin is also 1, 5, and 7. And also, it doesn't matter if you put the first here or the second here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you swap these around. It doesn't matter. So if I said this is the second spin and this is the first spin, it won't make a difference at all. Now, we will rule this up. And then once I've done that, I'm going to add these together because it's talking about the sum. So I want to add all of these together. So this will be 2, 6, 8, 6, 10, 12, 8, 12, 14. Okay, then it says the probability that the sum is at least 8. At least 8. Okay, when we're figuring out what this probability is going to be, the first thing we can do is just think about our fraction, and our denominator is obviously just going to be all the possible outcomes, and that's 3 by 3, which is 9. So that's nice and easy. And then we have to consider, all right, what does it mean when it says at least 8? The sum is at least 8. Does at least 8 include 8? It does, because it's at least 8. So 8 is included there. And then you'd have 10, 12, 12, and 14. You wouldn't include these because they're not at least 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 there. We can simplify that to become 2/3. Perfect. And there is our answer to that one.